Good morning, students. Today I'm going to solve one more example on road earthwork. Let's start. Here you see in question there are distances are given in meter from 0 to 1200 RL. Reduced level of ground starting from 114.50 and ending at 119.50. RL of formation 115 upward gradient 1 in 200 up to 6 meter, downward gradient is 1 in 400. Now one more thing, formation width of road that is equal to 10 meter, side slope S small s equal to 2. In banking for banking the value of S is 2 and for cutting the value of S is 1 is to 1.5 1 by 2 1 is to 1 by 2. So here you see the question is rising or upward gradient from this point to this point, and from this point to this point there is downward gradient 1 in 400. Now let's solve the question. There are different heights of banking are given, depth of cutting are given, bank are given, RL of formation, RL of ground, all are given in your question. So as I already discussed, the value of V equal to 10 meter, the value of S equal to 2 for banking, and S for cutting the value is 1.5. Now as we draw this table, first of all station 0 to 12, there are 12 stations, distances in kilometer from 0 to 1200. Now as per our previous question, it is same as your previous one. In third column we take height or depth or difference of ground level and formation level. As you difference this ground level, as you take the difference from your ground level and formation level 115 minus 114.50, then you get the value of your first point 0.50. As same, when you minus the formation level to ground level, then you get the column third. Now from column fourth, mean height or depth D, small d, mean height, mean of these two gets you give you 0.625. same for second one, this one, थर्ड वन, दिस वन, तो ऐसे करके आपका थर्ड टेबल बन जाएगा. सेंट्रल एरिया, बिकॉज योर formula to calculate quantity is equal to BD plus SD square into L. Now from BD, B equal to 10 as given in question. When you multiply 10 with this, 10 into 0.625, you get 6.25. when you multiply by this, you get 7.50, and same for and so on. Area of sides SD square, S equal to 2, then you get S into D square, S into D square, then you get the value 0.78, 1.13, 2.13, and so on up to 1200 meter. Then add these two terms, then you get column total sectional area in meter square. Distance, as you from here you will get, first is 100 meter, second is 100 meter, third is 100 meter, but means the main difference between the stations, two stations, is 100 meter, so we take the value as 100 meter. Then at last multiply this value, multiply 7.03 into 100, you get these values. So up to 0.600, and where in cutting will get these values. By adding these two values, at last you have to add this column and this column, you will get total quantity in cubic meter, this and this one. Then multiplying the quantity by your cost as given in question, 5384 into 275, you will get the total cost of earthwork in banking. And when you multiply 4525 with 350% per cubic meter, then you get the cost. This by adding these two costs, you get total cost, and at last add 5% as per given in question and 2% for earthwork, that is equal to 1532.18. This is the 5%, 3% for constituency, 2%, 5% of this, then you get the grand total equal to 32175. That is the total project cost. I hope you will understand.